Hey Jesse, welcome to ETH Denver. So you are a real OG from the ICP community. When did you start? Like around somewhere in 2021?
Yeah, I started in 2021. It's actually one of my favorite stories. I got involved with ICP because I responded to a tweet from Dom so good that I helped found the special projects crew at
Even I didn't know that. So
yeah.
tell me a little bit more about that. What about that?
Dom posted that DFINITY was looking to change up their approach to marketing and grassroots marketing of the internet computer. And I responded that I was an entrepreneur. My background, I started a brewery in San Francisco. I started lots of businesses and I just gotten really excited about crypto. And so I responded to the tweet. I was like, I would love to bring this approach. And it actually, what I found was the the actual content is obviously between beer and crypto is wildly different. Community building, communication, messaging, understanding your community, fulfilling their needs, those pieces are all the same. And so it really worked out.
So tell us more about OpenChat. Like let's just start from why should someone be using OpenChat?
Yeah. OpenChat's one of the premier applications on the internet computer. So we're a fully decentralized chat platform. So we're fully tokenized. We have a DAO. Every single piece of code that changes OpenChat flows through the DAO and is voted upon by our users. As an employee of OpenChat, I report to a DAO, which I think is so cool. I live in the future. And I can like pull up, my job was created by a DAO resolution. And so we're constantly advancing and responding to our users. And right now we're in the process of launching our bot platform, which I think is the future of the platform. I'm really excited about it.
Yeah, I think what most people fail to appreciate is like OpenChat is unlike any other application, a blockchain application out there. It's a real application which 100% runs on the blockchain. All the user data, all their pictures, messages, like the crypto they hold, every single aspect lives on chain. And in order for you to update the app, you essentially have to go through these proposals. Like you said, you report to a DAO. That's amazing.
But in addition to being sort of the big picture DAO, we're like a real blockchain. Like we use OpenChat and we dog food it. We run our entire company on OpenChat. You can go start a community. We have over, I think it's like 15, 20,000 monthly users right now. So we have a lot of people using it. Anyone can create a community, sort of like Discord, and they can assign roles. And then because we're built on top of ICP, we're blockchain native top to bottom. So there's a built-in wallet. You can DM any cryptocurrency. You can DM Bitcoin through OpenChat. You can DM ICP. You can DM synthetic coins and CK coins.
That's pretty impressive. And I think unlike anything that exists in the Web3 world at all, right? So this is...
Yeah, I mean, there's lots of different people going after these problems, but I think OpenChat is one of the most full featured. I was working on a presentation here of like OpenChat features, and my features list ended up needing to be like a fast scrolling credits that just keeps going because the list of, yes, we can do that. Yes, we can do that. Yes, we can do that. It's not, our roadmap is checked off, right? I think it's like, it's just so important that we ship real software that people are using every day and people are running their businesses on. And I think it's really powerful.
So one big theme of this conference is decentralized AI. So what's OpenChat roadmap like? How are you leveraging that? What are your big plans in that space?
Yeah. So I'm a big fan of the approach of in a gold rush, you sell pickaxes. And that's how I view OpenChat's role in this. So we already have like a feature complete chat platform to host your communities on. And we actually like literally this week are releasing the OpenChat bot platform, which has a public SDK, on-chain apps, off-chain apps. Anyone can create a bot and connect it to their communities. And we're launching a Bot-a-thon to do that. We have a bunch of different categories. We have a huge range of different things people can do with it, but AI is a huge piece of it. And I think so much of AI, like when you use ChatGPT or Claude or a lot of these or DeepSeek, you're having a one-on-one conversation. One of the most exciting things I think is taking that one-on-one conversation and moving it into a community and group setting. So you'll be able to integrate on-chain bots. You can use the blockchain to authenticate the data sets, where that data is coming from. Blockchain technology is all about transparency and proof. And I think so much of AI is a black box that things just come out on the other side. So we take these things and put them together, and what you get is a AI-enabled chat platform that can, you can create trust. And you can create trust, and it has a lot of power to move crypto around, to work with users, to interact with your community.
What are like top 1 or 2 use cases for the OpenChat bots that you're most excited about?
So we have a couple things. I think one of the things I'm most excited about is unlocking the power of the internet computer platform. Because one of the things that makes the internet computer so powerful is the interconnectedness. That, you're on OpenChat, but you want to talk to Decide AI, you want to talk to Panda DAO, you want to talk to Anakai AI. They're just a call away, right?
Yeah, it's the ultimate dream of composability, like these everything Legos powered by, yeah.
So the bot platform takes that composability and makes it applicable in your community directly to your users. And I think that, again, that's the thing I love about OpenChat is it's not like, yeah, in the future, you'll be able to do something cool like this. It's like, no, you can do this right now, today. Let's go do it. And I think that's really cool. So I think the AI piece, creating a new generation of specialized AIs built with on-chain technology that bring that same trust that we have in the ICP blockchain into the AI tech stack. And then I think interconnecting applications and communities and applications. So like, you can call up, the bot platform allows you to add any command you want into OpenChat. So like being able to look up all the way from like super basic stuff like, hey, remind me to have lunch with Lomesh tomorrow. You can do that, but you can also be like, hey, help me design this business plan using an AI for my meeting with Lomesh tomorrow too. So like that range of little day-to-day quality of life improvements that make your work better and faster, all the way up to completely revolutionizing the way you handle data. And I think that's what's so cool about it being like an extendable platform is we follow our users, we follow their needs, we're super, super customizable.
One of the things I'm super excited about is like, so obviously ICP is Chain Fusion, which is like OpenChat adopted it like from like super early on, almost day one. And the fact that you have access to every token, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, ERC20s, Solana, whatnot, I would be very excited to see how do you really manage all this cross-chain orchestration, leveraging or what kind of bots people are able to create, which can also help them perform these on-chain actions. Based on like,
I want to peel back the curtain a little bit here. You and I were talking yesterday, and you were like, I really think it'd be useful to be able to DM Bitcoin directly, not a synthetic, to use the Chain Fusion technology so that if I want to send you a shard of Bitcoin, you could just do that.
Yeah.
I brought that up with the team this morning. That feature is already written. It just needs to get released. It is ready to go. And again, I think that is like a perfect example. I know. You, I was like, I'm going to save this for on camera to talk about it. I think that's like such a perfect example is we don't have to invent a new way to handle Bitcoin. We just pick up the module that DFINITY and ICP have developed off the shelf, plug it in, and now you can ship Bitcoin.
Awesome. Talking about all these different modules and features. So DFINITY released their roadmap recently. I'm not sure if you've seen it. Is there anything in particular that you're super excited about?
Oh my God, there's so much about the roadmap. Remind me of some of the top. Give me a menu of some of the things that are coming up.
Well, I think so. If you're in the AI track, people are very excited about WASM-64, which would enable you to kind of. I think the big goal is can you run like models fully on chain,
right?
Draw inference, which is in a verifiable way, and so I think that is very interesting. You don't need to rely on external data sets, and you can really fine tune your models. Run it fully on chain. That's very interesting one. Yeah. Again, that may or may not be applicable to what you're trying to achieve, but
I mean, we will work with all of these technologies, right? Because we're already there. And so again, it's like we develop things that are extendable for the community, and then the communities are filled with people, and that's what gives these communities meaning, right? Like we're creating a vessel that they can sell, and I think that's what's really cool. It's because it's like the technology's out there, but it's like making a day-to-day impact in people's jobs and people's lives and their ability to communicate. That's like at the root of it that I think is so important for us.
I'm super excited for what you are planning to build, and I'm this build-a-thon or bot-a-thon. When does it start?
It starts this week, so we're kicking it off on March 1st. SDK officially launches March 1st. We're gonna have tons of sample code in there. You can connect with Rust, you can connect with Motoko, trying again, like a whole buffet of technological options to create these bots.
I am looking forward to hacking.
What are you going to build for us, Lomesh? What's Lomesh bot going to do?
If I tell you now, you will
Someone just steal that idea. All right, well, we'll see you.
Coming soon.
We'll see you at the awards ceremony at the end of the hackathon.
Stay tuned. Thank you, Jesse. It was a pleasure.
Thank you so much for having us. This is great.
Awesome.